How to play Please Donate on Roblox. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go through the steps of creating a stand within Please Donate, making game passes so then you can start accepting donations, and also donating to other people in Please Donate. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started with playing Please Donate, all we need to do is first open up a browser and navigate to roblox.com. Once you get to roblox.com, the first thing we need to do to play Please Donate is to create a game pass, which is the item that we add to our stand in Please Donate that allows us to accept donations. So to do that, once you get to roblox.com, log into your account and then select create at the top. Once you get to create, select dashboard in the top menu. Once you get to dashboard, find your places here and make sure that your place is public. If your place is not public, select the three dots in the top right of the place, and then where mine says make private, select make public. From there, simply select the place that is public. Once the place has loaded, select monetization in the left menu here, and then just select passes. Once you get to passes, we need to create a pass, and this is the game pass that we use to get donations. So select create a pass. You can upload an image if you want to, but you don't have to. And keep in mind, anything that you put in here will be moderated by Roblox, so you want to follow their rules, nothing that's going to get you in trouble. So go ahead and enter a name for your game pass. You can add a description, but you don't have to, and then select create pass. Then scroll down, and I have several passes here, but you should see the pass you just created, which is this one right here. And next to it, it'll say off sale. So we need to change that to make it so that our game pass is on sale. All we need to do is select the game pass, then select sales in the left menu, and then just toggle on item for sale. Now just enter the amount in Robux that you want to receive for your donation. So I'll do 10, and then I'll select save changes. Go ahead and select proceed. And now when we select the back button next here to the left of passes, we can see that our new game pass is right here and it has its current price of 10 Robux. Now we're ready to actually go into Please Donate and create our stand. So to do that, go back to roblox.com, search Please Donate, find Please Donate, select it, and then select the play button so that Roblox starts opening. Once you get into Please Donate, go up to a stand that says unclaimed on the bottom, and you'll see stand claim right here. Hold that, and then you'll claim the stand. Once you do that, the green icons up here will appear, and this is the game pass that you just created. Now, if you want to customize your stand so that you can put custom text at the top, go back up to the stand until you see edit and select E, and then you can change the text here. You can also change the font if you want to, the font color, the border, and many other aspects of it, including the booth, but some of these require you to have experience in the game. So go ahead and select the X once you're done, and then you'll see the text updated. Once people donate to you, if you want to claim those donations, all we need to do is go over to the left section over here where it says gifts, select that gift icon, and then select the mail icon, and any gifts in here that have been donated to you will show up, and you'll need to select claim. I don't have any at the moment though. Now, if you want to donate to other people, all you need to do is find their stand, walk up to them, select the amount you want to donate, and then just select that, and then select it again to confirm the amount. And then that will go to them, and then you will have donated to that person on Roblox. And that's how you play Please Donate. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.